Hi, this is Josh with Dream Body Clinic, and you're going to see here is our returning patient, Dr. Yoni Whitten. Yoni has an amazing site called painfixprotocol.com. So who better to talk about fixing your pain than the expert himself? So we did his lower back with our stem cell lower back treatment earlier this year. I think it was just over 6 months ago. And before that, we're going to go over in this video his MRIs showing where he had some herniated discs, some compression and different issues. And we're going to show you now his follow-up MRI 6 months later. So he's going to explain some of the things he learned. He's going to share some of the incredible tactics that he used to actually double the height of his disc from our treatment and his repair protocol. So I'm pretty excited to share this one, hoping you can take a look and see what we did to help Dr. Yoni double his disc height from damage.
Treatment MRI that we're looking at here from end of May 2023.
Yeah, and well, here we have a side view from the lower back. We can see like the space between bone and bone, between L5 and S1. The posterior area has 4 millimeters and the anterior has 10 millimeters. Mm-hmm. Then we have the neo MRI, and we have now 8 millimeters and 14 into the anterior.
Very
area.
nice.
So that is pretty cool. So, I mean, like we were just talking about, and you were saying, the stem cell treatment can really help you get pain-free, get your mobility back in most cases. It's not going to change the size or shape of the disc, but it's going to rebuild the nerves in the area, rebuild all the supporting tissue, but then you got to do the work. Mm-hmm. I think you were saying it's that window of opportunity is
that's right.
What's key, right?
So that's what you and I were talking about when I came in for the treatment, is exactly how the stem cells work, what they do when they get in the body, with finding sites of inflammation to go to. And so what I wanted to do during my rehabilitation was activity modification. So I eliminated activities that were causing disc compression. So I cut out really heavy squats and I cut out really heavy deadlifts, and I went to single leg exercises. So I still trained my legs because I want to stay strong and mobile in my lower body. But the focus going to single leg exercises like lunges and deadlifts, you get a lot more, or lunges and single leg deadlifts. Sled pulling, I'm still moving a lot of weight, but with single legs, I don't have the compression on my spine. Yeah. So I get fantastic exercises and avoid the compression. Went to supplementation, which I did a whole video on, with high levels of collagen. And we've seen recent studies that show that undenatured type 2 collagen in the disc is one of the things that depletes and is responsible for degenerative disc disease. So while we don't have studies showing specifically that supplementation with these kinds of things increases disc height, we can kind of infer that if that's one of the things that degrades, and that in vitro they can stop that degradation by adding collagen back into the mix, you're like, well, this is best case scenario, and plus there's no downside. And then I did other things, like I experimented with some traction, and a very specific protocol with doing that, because we know that traction doesn't do anything 15 minutes after you get up and you're exposed to gravity again. So my protocol was really interesting. I started doing my traction right before I went to bed at night, because then you get the benefit. Yeah, you get the expansion, and then you immediately go into a non-weight bearing position for 7 to 8 hours. And we know that the discs rehydrate overnight anyway. So my thought process was, if I can get that expansion, immediately go non-weight bearing for that imbibition where you're sucking fluid in, and I have stem cells circulating around in my system, is it possible that my body would be pulling those stem cells into the disc? I don't know.
Well, yeah. We can see the results, so I think everything is working.
Yeah.
Super interesting. So if anyone wants to get more information on Yoni's program, he's got the supplements. That is, what is the website again?
Painfixprotocol.com.
Painfixprotocol.com. And that also has your online program too.
It does, but I mean, before they even go there, I did a whole video on my rehabilitation program that people can check out for free on YouTube. Just search painfixprotocol.com and then go to stem cell rehab.
Perfect. Super awesome. So it's Dr. Yoni giving the good advice, showing how to heal your lower back. You can get a hold of us at www.dreambody.clinic. Call us toll free at 833-445-9089. I'm Josh. Happy to help.